Federal highway slide, things that should not be a factor in design-build candidate selection. That final design must be completed before an accurate estimate of costs, NEPA clearance, or owner wants to keep a heavy approval in the, before some approval is given before notice to proceed. So if you're uncomfortable with letting the design builder proceed, or you need an accurate estimate of quantities for some reason, design build is probably not the right delivery method. Maybe CMGC or bid build is a better delivery method. Also, if you're using is it solely as a way to obligate funds at the end of the fiscal year, that is not a reasonable design build project, although some states have attempted to do that. We're running short at the end of the fiscal year. It's September 1st, so we're going to let this by design build. They obligate the federal funds or ask the division office to do so just to get the project authorized. But that should not be a reason for selecting that for design build. It's also a possibility that there might not be enough teams to propose on the design build project. I don't know if that will be an issue here in Tennessee. Time will tell. But many owners get nervous when they start this process, especially for a large project. They shortlist 3 to 5. Some owners have only received 3 statements of qualifications, and then when one of those 3 teams drop out, it becomes a lot less competitive, and that's when everybody gets very nervous that they're going to receive competitive proposals. But that can certainly happen under certain conditions, so that should also be a consideration.